IRIS is a real-time dashboard which provides range operators with situational awareness about asset statuses as well as mission planning capabilities. IRIS was created as a one-stop shop to allow range operators to see data aggregated from multiple sources.
IRIS' main value is that it allows online collaboration through the different departments of the operation. Mission planners are able to communicate with operators directly. They all share information, so there's no guessing of where information is coming from. It's all directly linked together and integrated into a visualization system, allowing them to quickly access the information they need for their particular task and then share that out with the other operators.
Before IRIS existed, the users didn't have one way of getting everything they needed for an upcoming launch. They had to go to all these different systems to see who was going to be on a mission, when a mission was going to be, what was needed for the mission. And so IRIS is automatically getting all of that data and making the operator's life a lot easier for upcoming missions.
The range page shows statuses of the assets so operators can be up to date on the data needed for their mission. The range page shows statuses of assets, whether that be FMC, PMC, or NMC, fully machine capable, partially machine capable, or non-machine capable. This is important to the operators so that they can see the status of the assets to know whether they're capable of being used on the mission. Within the range page, you can use folders to categorize and organize assets based on mission requirements. The range page is mainly designed to provide mission situational awareness. The Personnel tab shows each of the personnel with any of the events associated with them or missions they are assigned to. The map is used by the safety team to generate reports based on the exclusion zones needed for the mission. The Schedule tab allows for crew assignment, event scheduling, and conflict resolution.
IRIS is deployed on Platform 1 to provide us with a continuous ATO, and we can run our code through their pipelines and ensure that it's safe and secure. On IRIS, we primarily focus on day of launch activities and mission scheduling. For day of launch, we have customizable dashboards within our checklists and requirements pages. The Letter of X allows you to assign users to specific roles so that then they can be assigned to missions under that role.
Designing IRIS is basically using standard design practices to create a system that's intuitive and easy to use. It's enterprise-level software that you're trying to give a massive amount of data to users, but trying to sparse it out to them. So it's only the data that they need at the right time for the task that they're doing. The main real value is a streamlined workflow process where you can do multiple tasks at the same time without losing track of where you are, what's happening, and being able to share that with your teammates and continue that process. The great thing about the IRIS project is that it's using continuous research and development. It's an iterative process that's working with operators directly and SMEs and leadership to gather feedback online and in real time. So that way, as you're coming to design something, you're seeing what's needed at that time. It's not a waterfall system where you're doing a bunch of research, designing something, and then giving it to the user. It is going directly to the user, seeing what their task is in a real-time setting.
The map page is intended for planning for an upcoming launch. The safety team can use the map to draw their exclusion zones on the map, visualize where boats and planes and trains need to not be for an upcoming mission. They can edit the exclusion zone if they need to. It generates the NOTAMs and NOTMARs to notify all of the surrounding bodies of government. So we have daily team stand-ups where we talk about what we worked on the day before, and we go over any possible blockers that we have. IRIS has been around since 2019, and we've been iterating on it ever since with new features and new requests from operators from all over the country.